Over 2 years ago, I was in a motorcycle accident. It was minor, but it left me with a wrist that will never fully recover. Recently, our office has been all about ping pong, but holding the paddle the usual way, it's painful. So I decided to design a solution, a custom grip nub. Using CAD and Carbon's design engine, I designed and iterated through 5 versions in just a few days. With UMA 90, I could print, test fit, and refine the design in hours. I textured the shell for grip and latticed the inner volume for a lightweight, forgiving structure. When I landed on the final shape, I printed it in EPU Pro 70E. This resin gave it a soft, grippy feel and a velvet-like surface that doesn't get slippery with sweat. Now I can play without pain.